Hey everyone, so we're here in Ottawa, OSMOWS, I think I'm saying it right. So take a look at this. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. I ask it fully loaded. We got potatoes underneath. It's a poutine with curds, all dressed. So lots of sauce. Let's see what the whole fuss is about. All right. Wow. Different. Very different than your traditional shawarma poutine place. There's a good bite of the potatoes. Potatoes are regular. Very, very flavorful. That's what I can say. Flavorful. Wow, full of flavors. Let's try some of this sauce here. Check this out. Wow. Very different. Highly recommended if you're looking for different taste explosions in your mouth. Not your traditional shawarma place though. This is a different, next level I say, but very different, not in the same category. I wouldn't even call this a shawarma place. No, the garlic don't taste like the traditional shawarma place. This is like, go for a nice one here. Ah! Bingo. You know, I'm gonna give it out of 10, 7.1. That's